street lights lit this town like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't debate. Tonight we gonna let it out. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it out. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight we gonna let it up. Tonight we gonna let it up. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it up.
So guys, now as you can see that you're hearing the audio really nicely because it has been recorded by the Boya by M1, and now I'm going to switch back to the smartphone microphone so you can tell the difference. If you want to record the videos from long distances, then also it is really useful. So guys, I'm not speaking slowly or anything, I'm speaking at the same loudness, and you can hear that the audio quality is there's a lot of difference between the audio quality from the smartphone microphone and also the Boya by M1. So guys, this is a really good microphone, only the problem is that the wire is of 20 feet. So it is a good thing also, it is a bad thing also, because it is really hard to manage it, but it will help you to get videos from long distances, and it will give you the feeling of as if you are wearing a wireless microphone. So guys, this is a really good microphone. I will give the link in the description if you want to buy it, and tell me that how did it sound. Guys, that's it for today. I'm VTech Pro and I'm signing out.
Silent nights,